The second technology that I want to share with you for Module 15 is Skype in the classroom. So I'm going to go to Skype in the classroom, which you can search things and find out things about Skype in the classroom just by going to Microsoft. There's all different types of information and things that you can do through Microsoft in education, but you'll need to set up an account if you want to actually sign up for any of the Skype in the classroom opportunities. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Waiting here. Once you get your account to sign up, then as you can see over here on the left, there's different things that you can go to, but Skype in the Classroom is a wonderful tool that allows you to go on virtual field trips. There are Skype lessons that are already set up. There are Skype collaborations where there are other teachers and educators all across the globe that are wanting to collaborate on different activities and projects. There's something called Mystery Skype that is super fun, where you can Skype with another classroom and you each are trying to figure out, what your location is. There's guest speakers, specialists in computer science, just lots and lots of engineering fields that are willing to speak to your students, authors, other things like that. So there's different ways that you can find information. You can filter what you're looking for by activity type. I'm going to say virtual field trip. You can do it by age group, ages 8 to 10. You can do a subject area. I'm going to say animals. Based on when your Skype is available, if there's a certain day that you're wanting to do it. There are some Skypes that cost, so you can, search for things that you want that are free. There's different, you can do it by skill. You can do it with different countries, different locations, just really, people that only speak English so that you can speak with them, all of those kinds of things. So once you have done that, then I'm going to select this one, visit a penguin breeding colony in Antarctica, because this is one that I have done before a couple of times with my classroom, and it is fabulous. There's always information. This Jean Pennycock is wonderful. That says specifically, like this one, the Skypes are only available November to January because, sometime in mid to end January, she has to leave Antarctica because it gets too cold and they wouldn't be able to get out of there. So if you want to have this particular virtual field trip, then you request it. You can type a message, say what you want, and then they will get back to you. So that's one example that we have used. If you go back to like Mystery Skype, anybody that knows anything about Go Noodle, that's a fun Mystery Skype that you can do where you're trying to figure out which Go Noodle character. We have done, oops, I'm not sure what that's doing there. We have done a lot of Skype calls with Yellowstone National Park. So you can even, search for those kinds of things. I'm trying to see here. There's really just an innumerable amount of opportunities that you can search for. You can search for different authors. It is a wonderful tool that can get experts from across the globe in touch with you and your students to share information that they would like. I know of a teacher in my school district in 4th grade that he participates in a global Skype around the world where he Skypes in a 24-hour period as students stay overnight, and they Skype with continents around the world. So it is a wonderful, wonderful tool that, allows you to also collaborate with students that you have. we had a homebound student for a while that we would Skype every Friday with her, so that she could see the students. There's just really, it's kind of up to your imagination of all the different things that you can do with the collaborations. I also wanted to add that the ISTE standards would be the teacher standard 4.C, using collaborative tools to expand students' authentic real-world learning experiences by engaging virtually with experts, students, and other people globally. Another ISTE standard would be also just connecting, curiosity and connections. That would be also that teacher standard 3.B. So it is a wonderful tool.